Ever wonder what's lurking in your credit shadow? It's not a monster, but it can feel like one sometimes: your credit report. This mysterious document holds the key to your financial well-being, influencing everything from loan approvals to insurance rates. But keeping tabs on it can feel like a chore. That's where credit monitoring services come in, promising to shine a light on your credit situation. Now, TransUnion is one of the big three credit bureaus, a company that collects information about your borrowing habits and creates that all-important credit report. But the question is, if you want to use their credit monitoring service, does TransUnion charge monthly? Let's break it down and see if this credit guardian is worth adding to your financial toolbox. Free versus paid: navigating the TransUnion maze. First things first, there's a key distinction to understand: your free annual credit report and a credit monitoring service. By law, you are entitled to a free credit report from each of the three major bureaus, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, every year. This report details your credit history, including loans, credit cards, and any public records like bankruptcies. It's a great way to get a snapshot of your credit health. However, that free report only gives you a one-time glimpse. Life happens, and things can change in your credit report between those yearly checks. This is where credit monitoring services come in. They offer continuous monitoring, typically with features like credit score updates. Get regular updates on your credit score so you can track its progress and identify any potential issues early on. Alerts for suspicious activity. Be notified if there are any inquiries into your credit report or any new accounts opened in your name. This can be a crucial red flag for potential identity theft. Educational resources. Many services offer tools and guides to help you understand your credit report and improve your credit score. Now, here's the catch: these credit monitoring services typically come with a monthly fee. TransUnion's monthly charge: a breakdown. So, circling back to our main question, does TransUnion charge monthly for their credit monitoring service? The answer is yes. TransUnion offers a credit monitoring subscription service that includes features like daily credit score updates, alerts for critical changes, educational resources, and even identity theft insurance, for an additional fee. The subscription price is currently $29.95 per month, plus any applicable taxes. Is it worth the monthly price tag? Here's the thing: deciding if TransUnion's credit monitoring service is worth the monthly cost depends on your individual needs. Consider this. Do you suspect identity theft? If you're worried about someone using your information to open fraudulent accounts, then a credit monitoring service with alerts can be a valuable tool. Are you actively working on improving your credit score? Regular credit score updates and educational resources can be helpful for tracking progress and making informed financial decisions. How comfortable are you checking your credit report yourself? If you're diligent about requesting your free annual reports and don't mind putting in the legwork to monitor your credit yourself, then the paid service might not be necessary. Alternatives to TransUnion's paid service. There are other options to consider beyond TransUnion's paid service. Free credit monitoring services. Several websites and apps offer free credit monitoring with basic features like score updates and alerts. However, be wary of hidden fees or credit card offers bundled into the service. Monitoring all three bureaus. Remember, TransUnion is just one of the three major credit bureaus. For a more complete picture of your credit health, you might want to consider a service that monitors all three reports. The takeaway: knowledge is power. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to pay for credit monitoring is a personal one. By understanding your options and your own financial situation, you can make an informed choice. No matter which path you choose, remember, knowledge is power. Taking charge of your credit report is an essential step towards building a strong financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.